A bull market refers to a financial market where prices are rising or are expected to rise. This term can be used in the context of the stock market, but can apply to any traded asset, including bonds, real estate, currencies, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. A bull market is characterized by a sustained increase in asset prices. During a bull market, investor confidence and optimism are high. Investors believe that the upward trend will continue, which encourages more buying. There is typically an increase in trading activity and therefore an increase in volume, as more investors buy and hold securities in anticipation of further price increases. Investors purchase assets and hold onto them, expecting their value to increase over time. Traders can also buy during short-term price declines within the overall upward trend, aiming to profit from the subsequent recovery.